Finding the perfect label maker can be a frustrating experience, especially with so many options available that promise to simplify your organization. In today's video, we'll be comparing 5 top-rated Bluetooth label makers to help you make the right choice. These picks are designed to enhance productivity and streamline your labeling tasks. But one model stands out above the rest for its exceptional features and user experience. Stay tuned to discover which label maker earns the top spot. And remember, links in the description for current prices. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Thermal Shipping Label Printer 4x6 Bluetooth Label Maker. The Thermal Shipping Label Printer 4x6 Bluetooth Label Maker is an essential tool for small business owners who regularly ship packages. This printer's standout feature is its ability to produce high-quality labels quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for those handling multiple shipments daily. With Bluetooth connectivity, it easily pairs with your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to print labels on the go. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface and compact design, which saves valuable workspace. While it excels in shipping label production, the printer is somewhat limited when it comes to custom label sizes, which may not suit those needing diverse labeling options. Brother P-Touch N25 BTV3 Label Maker. The Brother P-Touch N25 BTV3 Label Maker is perfect for home organization and small business labeling needs. Known for its durability and versatility, this compact label maker connects via Bluetooth to your mobile device, enabling quick label creation directly from your smart device. It features a variety of fonts, symbols, and frames that let users personalize their labels for any situation, from office to school to storage. The intuitive interface and easy-to-navigate app make labeling a breeze. One minor downside is that the tape cartridges can be a bit pricey, which may affect long-term usage for some consumers, but the overall functionality makes it a worthwhile investment. Makeid P31S Portable Industrial Label Maker. For professionals in need of a robust labeling solution, the Makeid P31S Portable Industrial Label Maker shines brightly. This label maker is designed for heavy-duty use, making it ideal for industrial settings or large-scale operations. Its impressive range of label types and materials means it can tackle a variety of tasks, from asset labeling to safety warnings. The Bluetooth functionality allows seamless integration with your devices, and its rechargeable battery ensures you can use it on-site without worrying about finding a power outlet. While it's a powerhouse for industrial applications, its larger size may not be the best fit for users seeking a more compact solution for home use. POLONO PM2 20S Label Maker Machine. The POLONO PM2 20S Label Maker Machine is a fantastic option for those looking for a balance of functionality and affordability. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, while Bluetooth capability enables quick printing from your smartphone. This label maker offers a range of templates and styles to choose from, catering to various labeling needs, whether for home organization or business applications. Users love its fast printing speed and clear, crisp output. However, some users have noted that the initial setup can be slightly complex, requiring a bit of a learning curve before mastering all its features. Despite this, the quality and affordability of this label maker make it a top contender. SVANTTO Bluetooth Shipping Label Printer 4x6. Taking the top spot is the SVANTTO Bluetooth Shipping Label Printer 4x6, a favorite among e-commerce sellers and home organizers alike. This printer stands out for its high-resolution printing and seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to print labels directly from their mobile devices with ease. It is particularly well suited for shipping labels, thanks to its fast printing speed and compatibility with various shipping platforms. What truly sets the SVANTTO apart is its affordability without compromising on quality, making it accessible for everyone. The only downside is that it might not support specialty labels as well as some competitors. But for everyday use, this model is hard to beat. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top Bluetooth label makers of 2026. Each of these products offers unique strengths tailored to different needs and budgets, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals available, and happy labeling!